Hi guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Marina Mijushkevich, and as you probably know, I work as a senior technical recruiter. And today I would like to go over with you about one interesting device I found on the market available, and it's a Google Home Mini. And this particular device is fantastic in any way you can imagine. And if you live in the United States, that would be a great Christmas gift for anyone, for your family member and your friend or anyone who you work with. It's not an expensive gift, and also it's very useful if you value your time and also open for something new. So today I'm going to try and break the device. Hey Google, give me a joke.
How do you make a tissue dance? Put a little boogie in it.
So this is how Google Mini looks like. It's just a small tiny dot and it listens to you, and it's with a beautiful G sign. This is the charger. It doesn't work without a charger, and it can do a lot of great things to you. And which are those? I'm gonna share with you right now. Okay, so this device is absolutely amazing, except one thing: it speaks only in English. And unfortunately, predominantly, I've got a lot of requests from my friend from Europe who speaks only Russian or Ukrainian if the device can't really speak in Russian. Unfortunately, I found it doesn't speak in Russian, but let me just confirm it. Hey Google, do you speak Russian?
I'm still working on it. I can translate for you. Just ask me for something like, how do you say thank you in Zulu?
Hey Google, how do you say thank you in Russian?
In Russian, that's
Спасибо.
It's good, right? Or for example, hey Google, how to say in Spanish beautiful girl?
on the website wikihow.com, they say, combine the words. In English, we say the beautiful girl. However, in Spanish, you would say la chica bella. In this case, la chica is the noun. Bella is the adjective, beautiful. You can experiment with building sentences such as, you are a beautiful girl, or eres una chica hermosa. To find out more, look for the link in your Google Home or Google Assistant app.
It's a lot, right? It's a lot of information, but again, it's just the very minimum. As an example, hey Google, where can I buy paper towels?
Please specify a location so I can search stores near you. You can do this in your settings by turning on location.
Hey Google, where can I buy paper towels in New York?
A few stores near Union have that. First, there's Walmart Union. They have Bounty Select a size paper towels, white, 12 super rolls, size. 12 super rolls equals 22 regular rolls for $18.34. Would you like to hear more results? You can also add it to your shopping list or get directions to the store.
How to get there?
Sorry, I didn't get that. Do you want more results?
Thank you.
Sure. Home Depot Jersey City has Bounty Select a size white paper towels, 12 double rolls, for $22.97.
Google, it's
Would
enough.
you like to hear more results?
It's enough. Okay, so bottom line, this small little thing can do a lot for you. Hey Google, do I have any reminders for today?
You have one reminder. Today at 8:01 p.m., do go out for a walk.
Ta-da! Yes, I did set up this reminder earlier, like 20 minutes ago, just to make sure I don't miss it. Hey Google, can you set up a reminder for 8:30 and remind me to go for a walk?
Alright, today at 8:30 p.m., what's the reminder?
Remind me to go out for a walk.
Okay, I'll remind you at 8:30 p.m. Got it. Go for a walk. When do you want to be reminded?
8:30?
Sure, I'll remind you at 8:30 p.m.
Okay, great. So it I just want to give you an understanding what it can do for you, and just not say you blindly, okay, this is what you can do. So you can probably hear what I can do right now in life, right, like moment. So shopping, it actually memorizes all your preferences in terms of buying habits. Is it good or bad? You decide, but it definitely remember all the places you picked up, and will definitely go shopping with you, or give you the price overall understanding when you need it. More, it also gives you some weather information, and you can set up actually a morning wake up. So for example, you wake up at 8:30, there's going to be a nice music playing, and then you can also in the application pick whatever you want to hear. It could be anything. It could be weather information, COVID information, it could be just generic information, news, or stock market. How about stock market? Hey Google, what is the share price for Google?
As of 7:43 p.m. Eastern Standard Time today, Alphabet Inc. Class A is trading at $1,820.01 a share after hours on NASDAQ, down 0.21% from closing.
Thank you. So you can find out all the information. You don't have to even touch your phone at this point. I don't know. It's really something similar to Siri, and I think you can also. I think you can ask Google to speak a woman's voice. I think there should be, if I'm not wrong, an option to pick up the gender, either female or male. I don't really try to play with it much, but I'm pretty happy with whatever I have. But you have an option, right? So again, there is a lot of great opportunities. I would definitely recommend you to try Google Mini Home, just to save some time and have a helper who can just be your assistant, and at pretty low cost take care of you and your family in terms of buying, planning, and reminding, and you just don't have to keep everything in your head. Just tell Google Mini what to do, and it will keep it for you. So that's pretty much from my end. Okay, so let's work a little bit on setup. As soon as you install this application, which is Google Home, you click on it, and then you choose Setup Google Home Mini. This is ... I have Google Dot, so I'm pressing next, and it's looking for devices. Make sure
I can't connect to the Wi-Fi network. You might want to check the connection settings in the Google Home app.
That's exactly what I'm doing. See, it found dining room speaker. Is it the device? Yes, this is the device. And make sure you pay attention. You will hear a sound soon. Did you hear the sound? This lets you know you are connected to the right Google Mini. And I'm pressing yes. And so there is also a Google Device Abbreviation Agreement. You just click on it and you read all the information about the services. It provides you all the information. If you find it, for example, like the test, so it's brief overview what you can find here: repairs, replacements, return a device, recycling program from Google, so and all the other information. But otherwise, you say press done as soon as you read it, and then you press I agree. And do you want to help improve everyone's experience by sharing device statistics and crash reports with Google? No, thanks. Where is this device? You have to pick up your location. Where is it located? This particular available in dining room. I'm pressing next. Connect to Wi-Fi. This is I have to pick up a network.
I can't connect to the Wi-Fi network. You might want to check the connection settings in the Google Home app.
That's exactly what I'm doing. Hold on a second, please. Okay, perfect. See, it's connected now. So you can read up also information, and let's see what happens. This information also you can.
Hi, how can I help?
See, we have an assistant ready. What's the weather
How can
outside?
I help?
How is the weather outside? Okay, so
Right now in Weehawken, it's 46 degrees with rain. Tonight, the forecast is around 46 with rain.
okay, so we have rainy weather, and the assist can already recognize you by your voice and tell you apart others. Yeah, I agree. Activate voice match. Actually, no. No, actually, no, thanks. I'm changing my mind. Yeah, I'm sure. Get personal results. Turn on personal results to access your calendar, contacts, reminders. No, I don't need that. Your device comes on with 14 days on ad-free YouTube. Oh my god, this is so nice. You can extend this free trial for up to 3 months when you subscribe YouTube Premium with the payment method. Terms apply. Yes. Select the default music server, which is Spotify. And not now. Link. This is definitely I would need. No, I'll actually skip it for now. CBS Alexis, yeah, let's link it to my CBS. I need to enter my information, and let's see how I can connect myself to CBS Alexis if I can launch it. Okay, so I just linked CBS Alexis. Just entering password and email and password. And link now. Get started with voice calls. Start and receive high quality voice calls with anyone who has Google Duo. No, not now, thank you. Stay up to date with Google hardware product. No, thank you. It's a lot of setup, a lot of information, yes and no. So you just have to be patient just to go over all this information. So in terms of payment method, if you want to place an order, you can also, for example, do shopping with Google Mini. So I really don't need that, but I think you can do it. I'll try. I tested. Just next. Speaker is ready, so let's get started.
Hi, I'm your Google Assistant. I'm here to help. To learn a few things you can do, continue in the Google Home app.
Hey Google, play some music.
Playing some music on Spotify. And just an FYI, you can always say something like, set the volume to 3.
Set the volume to 70%. And now I'm curious myself. Have you ever worked with Google Home Mini Dot? And how did you like your experience? If you don't have an experience with it, what are your questions? How else I can help you? Please let me know and leave a comment down below. Please stay tuned for new videos. They're on the way, and make sure to subscribe my channel. Give me a thumb up if you like this video, and stay tuned for new videos which are coming soon. I wish you Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. See you soon in my videos. Bye!